First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, we're starting to see a little bit better in the way of rain chances coming back into our forecast, but it won't be the beneficial rain that we desperately need now as we're running right on the cusp of 4 inches as far as a deficit year to date on rainfall. But we are seeing a little activity this morning on First Alert Live Doppler radar in motion, especially if you live, say, southeast of the Bowling Green area, right along the Tennessee-Kentucky border. We're getting a little bit of light rain coming through. No thunderstorms here, not picking up any lightning detection, but this is all just general light rain and sprinkles that's trying to work its way into, say, the Lake Cumberland region of our viewing area. Otherwise, a few sprinkles here and there this morning. It's not going to be that big of a deal. In fact, whatever rain we pick up today should be fairly light. Now, there's a possibility you could see a few thunderstorms popping up this afternoon, but overall, if you're looking for beneficial rainfall, it is not coming with this particular system. That's going to be further south of us. And you notice we are warmer this morning, 65 degrees. In fact, most of the Mesonet sites are running almost 10 degrees warmer than previous mornings when we've been in the 50s. It's more into the mid-60s, as you see all across southern Kentucky. And live from Doppler Cam, an overcast sky and a few sprinkles around Bowling Green and southern Kentucky. 65 degrees, the current temperature reading with a light south or east-southeast wind. Our humidity 70%. There's still a lot of dry air near the surface here as we've been so dry and the air's been stable. And as you know, very nice air mass over the area the last couple of days. So any rain that is up here is going to have a hard time breaking through the dry air near the ground. And that's why, even though the radar shows a lot of activity, not all that is reaching the ground. Here's a look at some of our AAA Systems weather cams. Glasgow, and by the way, thank you to the folks out at the Walgreens in Glasgow yesterday. An incredible turnout to folks who wanted a NOAA weather radio and bought their St. Jude Dream Home ticket yesterday. 64 degrees there on the square in Barron County. In Russellville, cloudy. In Logan County, 64 degrees. Munfordville, you're mainly cloudy. Up in Hart County, your temperature at 63. In Franklin, in Simpson County, cloudy, 62. Air quality, well, the ozone has now come up into the moderate category. Pollen and molds are low. UV index moderate today because of the amount of cloud cover. And in the pollen count, grasses, and now this is the time of year we're going to start to see a little bit more in the way of ragweed showing up. Green River Lake, that's our hometown forecast for today, presented by the Kentucky Lottery. 79 in Campbellsville, 78 Greensburg, 80 today in Columbia, all with that chance that you could see a shower or two. And by the way, the Powerball jackpot for tomorrow night, estimated to be at $60 million. The next Mega Millions drawing estimated to be at $50 million. 65 degrees right now at the Bowling Green Airport. Most everybody regionally in the 60s and 70s further south. Lots of cloud cover coming in with this upper feature that's moving through, but it's not strong enough, again, to penetrate the dry, stable air that's been over southern Kentucky the last couple of days. So the best we're going to see out of this is maybe a scattered shower or perhaps a thunderstorm this afternoon as that little extended trough works its way into the area. Some of you near the Tennessee border have a better chance of getting maybe a drenching downpour or two during the course of the weekend. And those of you that are here for the National Corvette Homecoming, you'll have to dodge a shower or thunderstorm at some point during the course of the weekend, but it's certainly not going to be a washout. But where thunderstorms do form, they could produce a quick downpour and then just kind of fade away. Occasional light rain today, maybe a thunderstorm this afternoon near 80. For tonight, 63 with a chance of a shower or thunderstorm. Then back to 80 tomorrow. Continued chance of scattered showers and a few thunderstorms. In fact, we're going to leave it a little bit unsettled as we go through the rest of the weekend and into the beginning of next week. Each day, there will be that chance of a late day shower or thunderstorm at 20 to 30%. And high temperatures with the heat and humidity coming back will be in the upper 80s to the low 90s, even for the end of next week as we get ready for Stuff the Bus 9.